Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. As you know, we are done with exercise 5 of topic 2.3, which is formulae. This is exercise 6 that you can find on page 61 if you have a textbook with you. In case if you don't have, I can send you a PDF format of this book on the number provided. You know very well I have ignored negative numbers and directed numbers because whatever the rules and the procedures are to be followed for negative numbers and directed numbers is going to be applied here from 2.3, which is formulae. So I'm continuing from here. And I will complete all the way all these topics as I've already explained you in the previous exercise. Now comes question number 1. In here, substitution method is going to be used for evaluating the given 3a. For example, if it says a is 3 minus 2, 3 times 3 is a 9, minus 2 is going to give us a 7, 4 times c is a 5, plus 4 times c is a 2 actually, plus e is a 5, that means 8 plus 5 is going to give us a 13. When it comes to 2 times c is a 2, and plus 3 times a is also a 3, that means 4 plus 9 is going to give us a 13 as well. Now 5 times e is a 5 minus a is a 3, that means 5 times 5 is a 25, minus 3 is going to give us a 22. When it comes to question number 5, it says e is a 5 minus 2 times c is a 2, that means 5 minus 4 is going to give us a 1. When it comes to question number 6, it says 5 minus 2 times a is a 3, that means 5 minus 6 is going to give you a minus 1. For c means 4 times 2 plus 2 times 5, which is e, that means this will give you 8 and this gives you a 10, that means 18 is the answer. When it comes to question number 8, it says 7 times a is a 3 minus 5 times 5 gives you 21, minus 25 is going to give you a negative 4. Now, in the next question, which is 9, it says c is a 2 minus 5 is going to give us a negative 3. When it comes to question number 10, 10 times a is a 3, plus c is a 2, and plus e is a 5. That means it's going to give you 30 plus 7, so it's going to be 37. Now a is a 3 plus c is a 2 minus e is a 5. That means 5 minus 5 is going to give you a 0. Then comes a is a 3 minus c is a 2 and minus 5. Now this is going to give you 3 minus 7. So the final answer is going to be negative 4. When it comes to question number 13, here values are going to be changed. In this question, it says m equals negative 2, h equals 3, and t equals negative 3. So 2m means minus 2 minus 3. It's minus 3 only, directly no substitution. So this gives you a negative 4, negative 3, and 13 is going to give you a negative 7. 4 times t is a negative 3 plus 10. This gives you minus 12 plus 10 is going to be giving you a negative 2. 3h is a 3 minus 12. That means 9 minus 12 is going to give you a negative 3. So 6 times m is a negative 2 plus 4. This gives you a negative 12 plus 4. That means negative 8 is going to be your answer. When it comes to 17, it says 9 times t, which is a negative 3 minus 3. So this gives you negative 27, negative 3. So negative 30 is going to be your answer. 4 times h, which is 3 plus 4. That means 12 plus 4 is going to give you a 16. 2 times m is a negative 2 minus 6, negative 4, negative 6 is going to give you a negative 10. M is negative 2 and plus 2, this gives you a 0. When it comes to question number 21, it says 3 times h. That means 3 times 3 plus m is a negative 2. So this gives you a 9 minus 2. It's going to give you 21 as a 7. Now t is a negative 3. Negative h value is 3. So 22 is going to give you answer as negative 6. 4 times m is a negative 2 plus 2 times h is a 3. That means this gives you negative 8 plus 2 3 is a 6. That means negative 2 is going to be your final answer. 3 times t is negative 3 minus m is a negative 2. So this gives you minus 9 plus 2 is going to give you a negative 7. Now comes 24, 25. In question number 25, things are different. In here, x, y, and k values are given. So for question number 26, 25, it is 3 times negative 2 plus 1. That means negative 6 plus 1 or negative 5 is going to be your final answer. When it comes to 26, it is 2 times minus 1 plus 5, negative 2 plus 5 is going to give you a positive 3. 6 times k is a 0 plus 4. 6 times 0 is a 0 plus 4 is going to give you a positive 4 as an answer. 3 times x is a negative 2 plus 2 times y value is negative 1. So this gives you negative 6, negative 2. That means 28 gives you a negative 8 as an answer. Now comes question number 29. 2 times k is a 0 plus x value is a negative 2. So 2 times 0 is giving you a 0, negative 2. Final answer is negative 2. X is a negative 2 and y is negative 1. So when these two guys are multiplied, it gives you a positive 2. Negative times negative is a positive. X is a negative 2 and k is a 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is going to give you a 0. 2 times x is a negative 2 and y is negative 1. So 2 times plus 2 is going to give you 4 as an answer. Moving on to question number 33. It says 2 times x is a negative 2 plus k is a 0. That means 2 times negative 2 is going to give you a positive 4 as an answer. X is negative 2 and k is 0. So negative 2 is giving you a negative 4 as an answer. So 3 times k is 0 plus y is negative 1. So that means 3 negative 1 will give you negative 3 as an answer. When it comes to 35, 5 times x is a negative 2 minus y is a minus 1. That means minus 10 plus 1 gives you negative 9 as an answer. For 36, 3k is a 0 minus 2 times x is a negative 2. That means 0 plus 2 times 2 is a 4. So 36 is going to give you a 4. These are all 36 questions solved. And very soon I'm going to be uploading exercise 7, which is next to this. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Share with your friends and colleagues if you are working somewhere, or if you are a student, do share with other students to get better understanding, and subscribe to make me more confident in making better contents. Thank you very much once again.